When your mind won't stop. When every thought becomes 10 more. When overthinking steals your peace. What does Krishna actually say? In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna teaches Arjuna a simple but powerful method to quiet the mind, regain clarity, and return to inner strength. Today, let's understand Krishna's technique to stop overthinking, and how you can use it from this very moment. 1. Why do we overthink? Arjuna also overthought. He stood on the battlefield, paralyzed, imagining worst-case scenarios, drowning in what-ifs. Krishna explains that overthinking happens when the mind becomes our master instead of our servant. We try to control everything. We fear outcomes. We replay past mistakes. We project future problems. It feels like thinking, but it is actually mental noise. 2. Krishna's first teaching. Not every thought is true. Krishna reminds Arjuna, the mind is restless and turbulent, but it can be controlled with practice. This means your mind will throw thoughts at you, but you don't have to believe every thought. Just because a thought appears does not mean it deserves your attention. The moment you understand this, the grip of overthinking weakens. 3. Second teaching. Bring the mind back. Krishna's method is beautifully simple. Wherever the mind wanders, bring it back, again and again, under the control of the self. Not by force, not by guilt, just gently. Your mind wanders, notice it, bring it back. Repeatedly. This is the Gita's core technique for ending overthinking. 4. Third teaching. Focus on right now. Overthinking is always about the past or future, never the present. Krishna's solution is, come back to your dharma, what is in front of you now. When you shift attention to the action in the present moment, overthinking automatically loses power. Ask yourself, what can I do right now with what I have? This one question breaks the chain of overthinking. 5. Practical 30-second technique. Here is Krishna's method in a simple, modern practice. A. Pause for 5 seconds. Notice your thoughts. B. Label them: future worry, past memory, imagined fear. C. Tell your mind, not now. D. Bring it back to one anchor: your breath, or your current task, or a single line from the Gita. Example line: I control my mind by bringing it back. Do this 5 to 7 times a day. Within a week, your mind will change. 6. A simple story of Arjuna. Arjuna stood shaking, unable to think clearly. His mind was creating thousands of fearful possibilities. Krishna didn't tell him to fight immediately. He first helped him control his mind. Only when Arjuna's inner chaos settled, he could see the truth clearly. Your clarity also returns when you stop feeding your mind's noise. Overthinking is not a character flaw. It's simply the mind behaving without training. Krishna's message is timeless. Bring the mind back, gently, again and again. If you start practicing this today, your life will change. If you found value in this message, subscribe to Gita Wisdom for more teachings.